If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on TikTok, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. This process will help you manage your security preferences effectively. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account profile where you can access your settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, look for the three dots or the gear icon in the top right corner to enter the settings menu. Tap on it to open the settings options. Step 4. Navigate to privacy and safety. Scroll down to find the privacy and safety section. Tap on it to view your security settings, including two-factor authentication options. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it and you should see an option to turn it off. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision and two-factor authentication will be disabled. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your TikTok account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and being cautious with your login information.